How to kill lust and stay laser focused on your goals. Picture this. You're deep in a productive work session. Focused, energized. Then, out of nowhere, distraction strikes, lust. It pulls you off track, and before you know it, minutes turn into hours, leaving you drained, frustrated, and far from your goals. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. Killing lust is easier than you think. It doesn't involve drastic measures or isolating yourself from the world. Instead, it's about recognizing the root cause and redirecting that energy. If you're ready to reclaim your focus and drive, keep watching. What is lust really about? When most people hear the word lust, they think of attraction or desire, but it's much bigger than that. At its core, lust is a distraction fueled by your brain's craving for cheap dopamine, quick, easy rewards. In today's world, everything is designed to trigger those cravings. Social media, streaming platforms, and yes, even ads, are all engineered to hook your attention. But here's the cost. Every moment you give to fleeting pleasures steals momentum from your big goals. Momentum is everything when you're working toward success. Lust disrupts that momentum, draining your energy and focus. To achieve greatness, you need to redirect that energy into building your vision. Why is lust so powerful? Lust isn't just a physical sensation, it's mental, emotional, and even spiritual. When you indulge in it, you're leaking energy that could fuel your business, your health, or your creative projects. Think back to the last time lust derailed you. What were you working on? How much more could you have achieved if you hadn't been distracted? The first step to killing lust is understanding that it's a drain on your potential. Once you see it for what it is, you can start reclaiming control. How to kill lust? The secret isn't to fight lust but to replace it. Your brain is always seeking stimulation. When you feed it something meaningful, it won't need cheap distractions anymore. Here's how you do it. 1. Shift your focus to your purpose. Every time lust creeps in, ask yourself, what am I working toward? Is it worth sacrificing your goals for a momentary distraction? Remind yourself why you're doing what you're doing. Your long-term vision will always be more fulfilling than short-term pleasure. 2. Move your body. Lust often strikes when you're bored, still, or unfocused. Break the cycle by changing your physical state. Go for a run, do 20 push-ups, or stretch. Physical movement snaps your mind back into focus and helps you regain control. 3. Channel energy into creation. Instead of letting lust drain you, use that energy to create. Write down ideas, brainstorm new projects, or work on scaling your business. Creation satisfies your mind and body in a way that distractions never can. The power of choice. Here's the truth. Lust is not your master. Once you recognize it as an energy leak, you can start plugging that hole. Imagine redirecting all that wasted energy into your business, relationships, or health. Think about how much faster you could achieve your goals, how much clearer your mind would be, and how unstoppable your focus would become. You have a choice. Will you let distractions control you, or will you take charge and redirect that energy into something meaningful? Action plan. The next time you feel that familiar pull of lust, try this. Pause and reflect. Ask yourself, is this distraction worth derailing my progress? Move. Get up and change your physical state. Even a quick stretch can reset your focus. Create. Use the energy to work on a project, brainstorm ideas, or write down your goals. By consistently applying these steps, you'll notice a transformation in your focus and productivity. Lust is just a distraction. It's not something you fight, it's something you replace. When you shift your focus, move your body, and channel your energy into creation, you'll unlock a level of productivity and clarity you never thought possible. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs it. Remember, you're not alone in this struggle. Together, we can build something better. Stay sharp, stay focused, kill the distractions, and go after your dreams with everything you've got.